I welcome all of you. Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss and show you dropshipping business. How to start. You can start dropshipping business. If you would like to start dropshipping business, this video for you. I will show you and discuss how to easily start your dropshipping business without investing any money. First, you can start easily. It's will cost negligible, few around of to 20 around dollar. Your hosting free, theme free 1 year for 1 year. Just you want to purchase domain, and if you want to hire anyone to design your website, that's mean you want to extra charge. You want, okay, we are not to lengthy our talk. We'll showing how to start dropshipping business on PlusBase. Okay, we'll go to PlusBase. We'll search PlusBase on Google and click here. We start over there up menu of the start menu. Click here. Okay, I will continue with Google. Okay, select Google, continue Google. It's easy to step that you want to follow that. We will type any strong password, shop name. Okay, shop name. I also would like to change after the shop name because right now I don't have any shop name in my mind. That's why sign up clip. They also sent verification code. I'll go to Gmail. Swiss other account. This is Gmail. Check out email. Here is verification code. Copy. Sorry. Copy. Paste. Confirm. Just step some few option. I'm create on Bangladesh. You also create to your country. I'll go to Facebook. They ask me my personal Facebook account. I will give him my personal Facebook account. Click. This is my account. I don't know. This is my account. Okay. Continue. Niche dropshipping অর্থাৎ niche because why I select niche because I have already selected niche. That's why I select which product with I will start a business, dropshipping business. That's why I select niche. Do you have any experience selling e-commerce or other platform? Yes, I have e-commerce, WooCommerce or Shopify. I have experience. Just start. Why did I know? My friend refers. Okay, next. Where where I will start Shopbase or PlusBase. I will start Shopbase because Shopbase facility are more. They will not support it with customers. That's why I will not select Shopbase. I will select PlusBase. They are also supported our buyer. They will manage all, maintain all. That's why I will select PlusBase. You also select Shopbase, but I will not. Shopbase and PlusBase are similar. Just few difference. I'm start from Bangladesh. Where you start, I don't know. They are give me only 14 days trial, but we will activate one for 1 year. You can also try this coupon code. I have already coupon codes. You also can try. Obviously, I know if you start at Bangladesh, your coupon code will be work but I don't know other country. If you want to coupon code from other country, you obviously talk to with support. You can also support here. Also, they have to contact or email address. You also talk to with them and you ask them, do you have a coupon code for me? I am from belong to. Oh, you tell your country where you are belong, and when you start your business, they are obviously help you start to your dropshipping business. Because first year, if you provide, if they provide you 1 year subscription, it will be more enough for you start your business. Okay, we will go to activate. You also see my business space shop. Our shop is not ready. View shop. This is our shop, but it's work will work or not, I don't know. I also go to other it working. That means they are providing 15 days to start or trial and redesign your website. But we will activate for 1 year and remove the navigation menu. Activates plan. I have coupon code from Bangladesh. If you belong to Bangladesh, that's this coupon code for you. This is coupon code 2025 for 25. This is new coupon code. How long it will be stay? I don't know. Apply now. Yes, they congrats me. They welcome congratulation me. Okay, it's mean they right of Bengali আপনি স্বরূপ আমি ভাই এর কাছ থেকে 12 মাসের প্লাস বেস প্রিন্ট বেস এর কুপন কোড পেয়েছি। দ্যাটস মিন দে সেড brother, I have got coupon code for 12 months. Okay, what will do? Active plan. This they are already. Here is the total. You can see here. Price is $0. February 16 to February 16, 2000. uh, They are February 21, 2026. Start plan. I will start plan. Okay. Top up right now. We will not top up. I have got free view bill address. Bill update credit card. You can also update your credit card. Okay. I will go to my Facebook. I will select credit card. This is our country's official page. You also find your country. You can also find your country's official page. Visa card. They also provide your their credit card information. I will copy credit card expired date CVC and also copy address. Okay, update credit card. I don't know it's working or not, but we also can try credit card date expired CVC. I don't know card name. the United zip code 1980 city town. Okay, remove that. Save. Successfully, they also verified our cart. You can also use this cart information. You also find your country's credit card information. Okay, your shop page is ready. I also can redesign, but I will not right now redesign my phone number. Ask verify. I will verify my phone number and a lot of things. Add domain. I will find out domain. You can also select domain from here, and also you can buy other country. Okay, today this is here. You can also start dropshipping business. This is dropship product. Select. I also show you how to add dropshipping product. Okay, right now I will not go there. Here is dropshipping product. Add product. You also find out. Select all here product dropshipping category. Private request. You also search any request product request. This is your product request. You also start with AliExpress product and drop shipping CG drop shipping product. I also find I will find AliExpress drop shipping product. Just I'm showing you how to add any product. You just select next and input the product on your website or store and just marketing. When customer when will customer order or purchase your on your website, everything will manage PlusBase fulfill order fulfillment. You do not want to order fulfillment. You just take profit from there. Sorry, I did not see any product. I also select APR rail get supplies. You also search your niche and product sales related product top selling should be top selling and fitting product. You also can make sales generate. Okay, I select when you paste AliExpress product link and add link. Also, you can keep some note. Input product. Click the input product. Here also see product. Select product. I will select all. Add to store. You also sense price. You also can sense price. Select all. When you sense would like to sense. Here is the bottom. Also since new price all apply, it will be add to store, save. It's also success. You can see on store. Here is the store product. That's enough. Thank you watching my video.